'Cause I've been up all night, drinking this wine, telling you things, telling you right. Bet it on me, you know you won't lose. I'm laying it out, sorry for you, keeping me waiting, no hesitating.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to your gonna be favorite YouTube channel. My name is Matilda Ola. This is the beginning, the foundation, a weekend vlog. Today is Thursday. Basically, I'm just going to, let me just drop this one. What do I have planned for today? By 9 a.m. the reason why I actually woke up this early in the morning to do this vlog was because by 9 a.m. I have something I need to attend online, and that's gonna go for a couple of hours. And then I have to write out a script for my first YouTube video. I also need to do like a design for my thumbnail for the video I did for the last video I shot. I need to buy a couple of things for the content I'm going to shoot, my Instagram content I'm going to shoot tomorrow. I recently joined the gym and I am feeling pain all over my body, but we move. I'll put it on my Instagram. You guys literally need to follow me on my Instagram, but after I add in like fruits to my diet, but the fruit is not fruiting because I don't know. It's not just fruiting, it's not working. I think that's the last thing I have for today. Go to the gym and then come back and sleep. Yeah, so let's go and get fresh and beautiful and I'll be right back. Okay, don't go anywhere.
You want me to hold you every night, but I can't even hold myself up right. And all of those tears you cry for me, well, I use them to cry myself to sleep. I can't hold you down when nobody's holding me up. I'm on the ground, feeling like I'm never enough. I need to get my shit together, bring me out of the shell. 'Cause I can't love somebody till I fix myself. This time I've been walking these streets with these broken down dirty shoes on my feet. I try to cry for help sometimes, but it never seems to come out right. And it wouldn't be fair for you to save my life. I can't hold you down when nobody's holding me up. I'm on the ground, feeling like I'm never enough. I need to get my shit together, bring me out of the shell. 'Cause I can't love some.
Alexa, shut up. Look at the way my forehead is shining. Oh my gosh. My skin is literally skinning, period. Turns out I woke up a little bit too late for 8 o'clock in the morning. Actually running out of time. I've not even started the day and I'm already running out of time. That says a lot for me and time management. So that's my morning routine, you guys. Oh, I can't get over the fact that my skin is looking amazing. Like, what the fuck? My skin is skinny. My skin is fucking skinny. Alright, so let's go today. Let's go and get me some. I don't know why, but I don't think. Is it snowing? You guys, I think it's snowing outside. I think it's actually literally snowing. Oh, no, it's not snowing. It's just the roof that look like that, apparently. So, let's get started. Let me make my... No, wrong one.
Else, I guess I don't mind. 'Cause I can't hold you down when nobody's holding me up. I'm on the ground, feeling like I'm never enough. I need to get my shit together, bring me out of the shell. 'Cause I can't love somebody till I fix myself.
It's gonna get a little bit busy from now, and hopefully I'm able to do everything that I plan to do today. Hi baby, I love you. This is just how real life works. You don't used to make bed every morning like that. Sometimes beds don't want to be made, just want to be left like that.
I like them, all of them fake. Best friends and lovers, nothing to prove. I'm laying it out, only for you. Pray for you, I'll slay for you. Take all your secrets to the grave for you. I know everything about you. Never sleep when I'm around you. 'Cause
I'm cold and my legs are literally killing me. I'm not even gonna lie. I don't know why my house is cold. My house is freezing. Anyways, I've done what I need to do for this morning, and it's about 11 o'clock now. I just want to have breakfast. Can you even call this breakfast now? Brunch. We're gonna have brunch, and then I'm going to go straight into writing out my script and doing research for my next content. And then after that, I will be making some designs, like my thumbnail, and I also have a design that I need to do for a brand, for someone. And after I do that, I will prepare to go to the gym and go to Tesco to get the things I need to make my Instagram content. You guys should be prepared. Prepared to be sick of me. Just realized that I've not been recording myself. Am I weird? I literally cannot have conflicts without, if it's not hot. Honestly, if you're drinking conflicts with cold water, you're missing. I'm standing up to this conflicts. If this conflicts when you're standing up, it will go. It will spread to the body very well.
the world's right, you're wrong, I'ma stick with ya. Ain't nothing in the world I can't face with ya. Waiting all this time on you. Waiting all this time on you. 'Cause
I have done majority of what I need to do, and I need to eat. Hunger is catching me. I was thinking of making fried rice because I have everything at home. Fried rice and turkey.
I like them, all of them fake. Best friends and lovers, nothing to prove. I'm laying it out, only for you. Pray for you, I'll slay for you. Take all your secrets to the grave for you. I know everything about you. Never sleep when I'm around you. 'Cause I like them, all of them fake. Best friends and lovers, nothing to prove. I'm laying it out, only for you. Pray for you, I'll slay for you. Take all your secrets to the grave for you. I know everything about you. Never sleep when I'm around you. 'Cause I like them, all of them fake. Best friends and lovers, nothing to prove. I'm laying it out, only for you. Pray for you, I'll slay for you. Take all your secrets to the grave for you. I know everything about you. Never sleep when I'm around you. 'Cause I like them, all of them fake. Best friends and lovers, nothing to prove. I'm laying it out, only for you.
So night is be falling upon us, and it's like 7 in the evening. I've done everything I want to do. I do not go to the gym. I'm not going to the gym. My body is spinning. I will go tomorrow. So I've done everything. I didn't get to go to Tesco today because I am tired. I am exhausted. But I've done every other thing I need to do. It's over. See you tomorrow, guys. Good night. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, you guys. Today is Friday, the second day in my vlog, and I literally just woke up and I'm not ready to get out of bed. I'm like, okay, I'll just like, why am I scratching my hair? I'm just gonna do this intro part and then get started later. So basically, I have a couple of things I need to get done today. Today is basically like a content creation day. So I'm just going to create content. I am taking off this hair. Finally, it's a mess, and I don't know why I've kept it this long. The plan was to keep it for 2 weeks, but things change. The situation of things change. So yeah, I did not change. I'm going to take it off today because I'm doing like a couple of content, and I do not want this hair on my Instagram or TikTok anymore before finish enter. So yeah, I'm just gonna create content for Instagram, create content for YouTube, and take a couple of pictures if I have the time. You guys, guess what? Yesterday when I was going to like I told you I had like a design I needed to do for like a business kind of thing, and I was going to do on my laptop yesterday, and I realized my laptop was just slow. My laptop was literally not working properly. It literally just went bad shit slow on me, and I'm like, what the fuck is going on? But yeah, my what was I going to say? My laptop is not working properly. Turns out I do not have space on my laptop again, and I do not even know what I am going to delete. So like, I'm like, I'm like, why is this happening now? Why is this happening now? But anyways, yeah, so my laptop's not working properly. I need to get that fixed and yeah, get into content creating. Probably sleep a little bit more because I still feel tired. Do not ask me why. Even me, I don't know. I was just on Netflix watching film. Watching film. I'm going to go to Tesco's this morning. I need to get the things I need to create my content, like I said yesterday. So I'll go this morning. I don't know. I'll try to record it, but I'll go this morning and get a couple of things, and yeah, then we'll start creating content. So let's get into today. Peace out. Guys, I'm awake now, like fully awake, and I'm about to start creating content. Literally, I just made my bed. I didn't make it today, but I'm gonna make it today. I just made my bed, and yeah, I'm just gonna have breakfast, gonna have some yogurt, and right after that I'm gonna start creating my content. I look like a mess now. I've not done any skincare, whatever, because obviously mans need to look like a baby girl, like you transform from dry to shiny in the video.
start discussing about.
You want me to hold you every night, but I can't even hold myself up.
This time I'm using red lipstick, you guys, and I absolutely love the look. I'm not even gonna lie, I've never gone this bold before, but I love how I look. It doesn't look as bad as I thought it was gonna look like. I look sophisticated, I look fine, I look zah, I look Oh my god, this makeup literally turned out very nice. I'm not going anywhere, but just talk to look pretty in the elevator.
Till I fix myself. All of those tears you cry for me, well, I use them to cry myself to sleep. I can't hold you down when nobody's holding me up. I'm on the ground, feeling like I'm never enough. I need to get my shit together, break me out of the shell, 'cause I can't love somebody till.
Just finished filming my video for YouTube and I am tired. It took the grace of God to not let it be dark, because I'm actually surprised that it's not dark by this time. I am very tired, I'm exhausted. Now I just need to clean my face and probably go to the gym. I don't know if I'm gonna go, but I need to get something to eat. I've not had anything to eat all day. I have been busy creating content and it's not good not to eat, so I'm going to wash off my face and feel light. This makeup is heavy. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
I've help sometimes, but it never seems to come out right. And it wouldn't be fair for you to save my life. I can't hold you down when nobody's holding me up. I'm on the ground, feeling like I'm never enough. I need to get my shit together, break me out of the shell, 'cause I can't love some. You want me to hold you every night, but I can't even hold myself up right. And all of those tears you cry for me, well, I use them to cry myself to sleep. I can't hold you down when nobody's holding me up. I'm on the ground, feeling like I'm never enough. I need to get my shit together, break me out of the shell, 'cause I can't love somebody till I fix myself. And all this time I've been walking these streets with these broken down dirty shoes on my feet. I try to cry for help sometimes, but it.
Hi guys, hello, good morning, good morning, good morning. Today is Sunday and this is the last day of my vlog. I don't know why I'm in a very good mood this morning. I am in a very, very good mood. I spoke with my friends last night, like my friends from Nigeria. I spoke with them last night and it was very nice to catch up. There was laughs, there was everything. So it put me in like a good mood before going to bed, and like waking up I'm like, yeah, let's get into that day. So today is Sunday. Yesterday was very funny because after I did my morning morning talk, you know, I did not do anything else. I literally was in bed all day. All I did was just to submit what? All I did was just to post my first video, my life update video yesterday. I was a little bit late because I slept off, and then I woke up. I was supposed to post by 5 p.m. and then I woke up by 5:58. I'm like, what is all this? What is all this? To think I set the alarm and I didn't even hear. So yeah, basically, yeah, so we did that, and I didn't do anything yesterday. I literally just slept in. I was in bed all day. So today, because I didn't go to the gym yesterday again, today I said no, I'm not waiting till evening, I'm going in the morning. So it's currently 7:30 and I am going to the gym now. I'm even ready and prepared. So I'm going to the gym now, and when I get back, I don't really have anything planned for today. So today is just going to be a chill day for me. I'm just gonna chill, watch some Netflix and chill. I'm just gonna watch some Netflix and then clean the house a little bit, like do a little bit freshen up of the house in the evening, just to like get ready for the new week. And yeah, that's all. But nothing fancy. Probably make a meal or something, I don't know. But I would try to like pick up my phone and actually film something today. So I'm going to the gym. I'm gonna get this summer body. I'm gonna get this summer body. Alright, yeah, you guys, let's go to the gym.
But I use them to cry myself to sleep. I can't hold you down when nobody's holding me up. I'm on the ground, feeling like I'm never enough. I need to get my shit together, break me out of the shell. Cause I can't love somebody till I fix myself. This time I've been walking these streets with these broken down dirty shoes on my feet. I try to cry.
Hi guys, so when I came back from the gym, I literally slept off, and I had like a very long nap. I only plan to sleep for an hour so I can like film and, you know, do a lot of stuff, but it was not happening. The 1 hour nap turned into like 7-8 hours of sleep. But really, I'm like literally very tired, and I just want to quickly whip up something to eat and just like go back and just chill and just eat, watch Netflix, and that's it. What I want to make, I don't even know if it has a name, but like I just want to quickly, you know, cook something. It's like a vegetable with turkey and stew. There's like mixed veggies inside this thing. It's like the stew. I'll have it with spaghetti and plantain. That's what I want to have. But I just want to do it quickly, and then when I start filming, it's going to take a little longer than it should normally take. So not today, maybe in my next vlog. But yeah, I'm just going to end the vlog here, you guys. It is about 7:30 in the evening, so that shows how long I've slept. And yeah, so you guys, this is the end of my first week end vlog. You guys should tell me how I did. How did I do? Did I do well? Should I do more? Should I film more? Should I film less? What? I don't know. Just tell me what you think in the comment section. And also don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your post notification, and follow my socials. And follow my socials. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.